Assalamu alaikum. Hope you fine and you will be taking care of your health. Students, in my previous lecture 1, I told you the short story of the hungry mouse and I had also explained it in simple English. Hope you will have completed your home assignment. What was that? Yes, have you read this unit with the help of your mother? Oh, really? Very good. How many times have you read? Really, 3 times. I believe in you. And what about the paragraph which I had told you to write? Few lines about Mr. Mouse. Have you done? Very good. Ask your mother to check and you can write it on your notebook. Okay? Very good. So I'm here with my lecture 2. Have a look of today's lecture. So let's see of today's lecture. First of all, we are going to do exercise B, question 1 to 4. Then we will do exercise D and E of page 13. And then we'll do sentences with the help of given words. Dictation will be done at the end. Let's start with question answers. Unit 1, the hungry mouse. Exercise B, question 1 to 4, page 12. Question 1 is, what is Mr. Mouse looking for? Why? Answer is, Mr. Mouse is looking for food because he is hungry. Question number 2. How long does Mr. Mouse wait for food? Answer is, Mr. Mouse waits for a month for food. Question 3. What does Mr. Mouse find? Answer is, Mr. Mouse finds a basket of corn. Question 4. What happens to Mr. Mouse? Answer, Mr. Mouse becomes fat. Now, moving on to the exercise D. Statement is, the letters in these words are jumbled. What are the animals? Students, names of the animals are hidden in these words. You have to find out which animal is it. This exercise is very interesting. Look at number 1. Have you any idea which animal is it? Okay, I'm going to give you some clues. It can jump with its legs. It has long tongue. It uses its tongue to catch bugs. What is it? Yes, frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Look at number 2. Which animal is it? Some clues about it. It has large ears and long tail. It likes to live in houses. It likes to eat cheese. What is it? Mouse. Yes. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Look at number 3. Which letter will come first to find the animal? It's so easy, students. Yes, rat. It has small ears. It is bigger than a mouse. It lives underground. Rat. R-A-T, rat. Look at number 4. Can anyone tell me what is this animal? Goat. Yes. G-O-A-T. People eat its meat, drink milk, and use its skin. Look at number 5. What is this animal? Okay, I'm going to give you some clues about it. It has large paws, but it is not a lion. It has fur, but it is not a cat. It lives in a cave, but it is not a bat. What is it? Bear. Yes, it's a bear. B-E-A-R. Look at number 6. What is it? Okay, some clues about it are: he likes to swing, but he is not found in the playground. He climbs trees, but he is not a squirrel. He likes to eat bananas, but he is not a human. What is it? Yes, monkey. It's a monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Now coming to the next exercise, which we are going to do, exercise E, page 13. Put in the missing letters to make words from the story. Students, here are some words with their missing letters from the story. You have to find out what are they. Number 1, B dash dash K dash T. Have you any idea? Yes, basket. B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. Look at number 2. What is it? P dash dash H. Path. P-A-T-H. Path. Look at number 3. Dash dash M dash S. Missing letters are C-O-M-E-S. Comes. Look at number 4. C dash dash N. What is it? Yes, corn. C-O-R-N. Now coming to the sentences of the given words. Students, we are doing here sample sentences for each word, but you can make your own sentences and you may write them on your notebook with the help of your mother. Let's start. Number 1, basket. Number 1, basket. The sentences, sample sentences, the basket is full of fruit. Number 2, angry. Sentences: my sister is angry with me. Number 3, hole. Sentences: there is a hole in the wall. Number 4, corn. I like to eat corn. Students, here are some dictation words. You have to learn them and write them on your notebook. Number 1, mouse. Number 2, month. Number 3, food. Number 4, path. Number 5, pass. Number 6, basket. Number 7, hole. Number 8, hungry. Students, you can note down all the exercises which we have done and learn them as well. Don't forget to learn word sentences and dictation also. Okay students, I hope you have understood this lecture. If you have any question, please do write in the comment box. I am here to guide you. अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.